Hi, baby.
Hello.
Where we at, baby?
We are at beautiful Puerto Rico.
What's the name of the place?
You brought me to a beautiful island. I don't know where you brought me. Where are we?
We are at Luquillo. We are at Luquillo, one of the most beautiful beaches in here in Puerto Rico. So we are at this amazing place. It's got the most beautiful vibe. We're gonna show you around how we got here, the parking, everything is easy. Everything is so like, you know, we got shops in here, we got toilet, shower, you know, they got places for you can buy food, you can buy drinks, you can buy souvenirs. So stay tuned. We're gonna go around so I can do some mini vlog for you guys to show you about this beautiful place. And tomorrow we're gonna be in a different place too. Take you out to the shower place, the bathroom. There is the public ones and there is like a private one. The private one is more clean. The public one is like I don't know, just like feel like it's a little. Let me take you around to see. So right here you need to have your bracelets. I already have it. Hola.
Hola, sí, mi amor, pasa por allá.
There we go. You got the shower. You got the lockers room if you want to save with the locks. Right there's the shower if you want to shower. It's convenience. I love that space. For $2 to have lockers, bathroom, and then the shower. I like it. Hola.
Hola.
Vamos a ver con 4 cervezas. Hola.
$8.
$8. ¿Toman tarjetas?
Sí. Que no sea americano.
Oh. Gracias a Dios que tengo 2 aquí. Have to.
No, pero todavía.
I like medallas.
Ahora sí.
Love medallas. Ponlo ahí.
Sí.
Oh.
Firmar.
This is like a souvenir shop. Ya.
Ahora sí.
Hace
Yep.
más.
Gracias.
That's good. Yeah, just like I said, you know. See this? Puerto Rican. Everything. That. You got shower if you forget your shower at home. This is beautiful. Lars. Cataño, Bayamón. That's what I used to live. Buen día.
Igual.
And then they have food right there. You can get a food right there too. super chill in here.
I'm about to get in the water, so I need to be a mermaid.
Ah.
Baby.
You look cute in there. Looks so cute.
Cheap.
Yeah. Luquillo. This is one of the most beautiful beaches is in Puerto Rico. Luquillo is about like 45 minutes from San Juan. Easy drive. Enjoying the beautiful weather. Look at those palm trees. So beautiful. So beautiful. How you like it, baby?
So cold.
So
I love
cold.
it. It's not that cold. Baby, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? It's a beautiful day in the...
Thank God. Thank God.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank God. It's a beautiful day. Another day. Be blessed. Be blessed what you have.
And sometimes be blessed with what you don't have, if you don't want it. I have sparkling pink lemonade with seltzer water. It's true.
With what? One more in there.
La.
Oh, nothing?
La.
No more liquor?
La. Ice cream de passion. La.
Mira, ¿qué tiene ahí, papi?
Estos son helados.
Todo con...
Estos son helados naturales a base de agua. De coco, de parcha, piña colada.
Hablo de pancha.
original.
Pancha. ¿De pancha es spicy food? Se vayan así.
Fuleteado.
Fuleteado. Gracias.
Hola.
So you just, like I said, you just enter, and the entrance you pay like $40 for 2 enters. It's like you pay in the parking, and then you park your car, and you walk about like 1 minute, 1 minute to 2 minute walk. It's not bad.
Well, I probably could track you down.
There's the parking lot. Like I say, park your car. It's a huge parking. Huge parking. You know, it's not bad. It's worth it. Believe me, it is worth it. It's a beautiful water, beautiful beach. So relaxed. You know, there's the car. You just walk that way. There's the water. Take the window down, no?
No, it's clear. Clear as day.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto PR Trace Marginal.
Using the GPS to go to our next beautiful beach. You know?
Where are we going?
We're going to Piñones, Luquillo, Luisa. Piñones, Luisa.
And why are we we going there? You said it was something unique about it.
It's like a beach, but it looks like a pool.
Oh,
It's like surrounded with rocks.
private pool. Love it.
Private pool, yeah.
Okay,
This is
check
the
one.
entrance. You pay like $4 in here. Right there, and you just enter.
Turn right onto PR Trace Marginal, then keep left onto Highway 3.
Buddy. Well, we do a stop and roll here.
Look at him.